Hi everyone, today I am going to be telling you about the best Cricut shirt maker machines if you want to get a job done right. And if you're the crafty type, you have to do it yourself. Then you are probably aware of what a Cricut machine is and how you can use it to create all sorts of homemade goodies, t-shirts included. As far as criteria go, we will be looking over the machine's capabilities, price, and more in order to determine which is the best Cricut for making t-shirts. I will leave the links to these discussed Cricut shirt maker machines in the description. You can check them for more information. Starting our list with the Cricut EasyPress 2 heat press machine, the Cricut EasyPress 2 is an amazing product that can be used for pretty much any type of heat transfer project. Cricut EasyPress 2 combines the speed of a heat press and the convenience of a household iron. Its ceramic-coated heat plate is adjustable up to 205 degrees Celsius. That's no longer the case if you decide on using the Cricut EasyPress 2s, since it is a machine that is optimized for use with HEVs. The machine itself is very safe to use, since there's no way you can accidentally burn yourself with it. More so, the design is very ergonomic, and the materials it's built out of make it very lightweight. So creating t-shirts will never seem like an actual chore or manual labor. Besides, Cricut has its own smartphone app, where you can control precisely the machine's temperature and time, all based on the properties of your HEV and the materials your t-shirt is made of. Compared to traditional irons, the Cricut EasyPress 2 has an evenly heated ceramic-coated plate, making it ideal for basic t-shirts, pillows, aprons, and more. Speaking of which, depending on the size of the heating plate, the EasyPress 2 comes in two sizes. The heat distribution on the plate is even, meaning consistent, high-quality transfers, and this also makes your transfers last longer through countless washes. The Cricut EasyPress 2 is compatible with all infusible ink products, along with other major brands of iron-on materials and HEVs. Pros: compatible with most iron-on materials. Can be controlled via a smartphone. Efficient project transfers. Easy to use. Affordable. Cons: not very good for bulk operations. Works best on flat surfaces. At number 2, it's Cricut Explore Air 2. A DIY cutting machine, the Cricut Explorer Air 2 is a consumer-grade cutting machine from Cricut and is currently one of the best computer-controlled cutting machines designed specifically for home crafters. For those of you interested in creating t-shirts, the Cricut Explorer Air 2 is ideal for creating sewn-on patterns and embroidery scents. While it cannot be used as a heat press, it can be used to cut the pieces of vinyl needed later. So if you use it together with EasyPress 2, you will be able to create completely unique custom t-shirts from A to Z. The cutting size is 11.5 inches by 23.5 inches, which is more than enough for any t-shirt design, and since it can cut 100+ materials, you can diversify the way your t-shirts will look and feel even more. One great thing about this machine is that it is extremely silent, but if you don't mind a bit of extra noise, you can turn on the Explorer Air 2's fast mode, and it will perform all the tasks at twice the speed without any loss in cutting quality. The Explorer Air 2 is compatible with 6 tools for cutting, writing, and foiling, and the Bluetooth wireless technology allows easy device control via smartphone or PC. Pros: consumable materials are cheaper compared to competitors. The cutting size is more than enough for all t-shirt sizes. 6 different cutting tools that suit all your needs. Features fast mode for 2x cutting speeds. Comes with a free design app. Can be controlled wirelessly. Easy to use. Cons: using design space will require a constant internet connection. At number 3, it's Cricut Maker 3. Smart cutting machine. The Cricut Maker machines are the biggest and most powerful of the Cricut cutting machines. And while at first glance they seem like overkill for someone that just wants to make a t-shirt, they are made specifically for those that are interested in large projects, 100+ t-shirts. It has a maximum cutting length of 12 feet 3.6 meters and a maximum supported material width of 13 inches 33 centimeters. So you can use a single cutting session to create the cutouts and pieces of vinyl for multiple t-shirts simultaneously. The Maker 3 can cut 300+ materials, ranging from the most delicate of fabrics to harder materials such as cardboard or leather. Featuring 13 tools for cutting, writing, scoring, foiling, and embellishing. And if you are familiar with the Cricut Maker machine, then you will be happy to know that Maker 3 is also twice as fast, with 10 times the cutting force. More so, it is also compatible with Cricut's design space, so creating designs or choosing them from a catalog of pre-made ones will be easy. Pros: consumable materials are cheaper compared to competitors. The cutting size is more than enough for all t-shirt sizes. 13 different cutting tools that suit all your needs. It is the fastest of all Cricut cutting machines. Compatible with over 300 materials. Can be controlled wirelessly. Great for commercial use. Easy to use. Cons. The machine is far bulkier and heavier than other Cricut machines. Using design space will require a constant internet connection. At number 4, it's Cricut Explorer 3. 2x faster die cutting machine. The Cricut Explorer 3 is a bit larger, but it also has a much large cutting size, with a maximum material cutting length of 12 feet 144 inches. Cricut Explorer 3 cuts, draws, scores, and more with jaw-dropping speed and precision. Up to 2x faster than its predecessor and compatible with smart materials. Bust out everything from custom shirts to big banners in record time. The Explorer 3 can handle smart materials, and it can also work without a cutting mat, unlike the Explorer Air 2, which needs one at all times. If speed is something you are interested in, then the Explorer 3 overshadows the Explorer Air 2, featuring twice the cutting speeds. The Explorer 3 is indeed the better choice. It does have some of the caveats of the Cricut Maker 3, meaning that it is mostly aimed at commercial use, or at least more than the Explorer Air 2. More so, the Cricut Explorer 3 is only currently available in one color, mint green. Pros. The cutting size is more than enough for all t-shirt sizes. 6 different cutting tools that suit all your needs. One of the fastest cutting machines available. Compatible with over 100 materials. Free access to Cricut design space. Can be controlled wirelessly. Supports smart materials. Cons. Design space needs a constant internet connection. The price tag is a bit big. At number 5, it's Cricut Maker, smart cutting machine. If you're dead set on making your own t-shirts, and you want to do it not just for yourself, but for your friends and family as well, you might as well go for a Cricut machine from the Maker family. The two devices share similar traits, including cross-compatible cutting, folding, or embossing tools, as well as support for up to 300+ materials. Unlike the Cricut Maker 3, the Cricut Maker cannot use smart materials, and using a cutting mat is also mandatory, so be prepared for some extra investments in terms of buying new mats over time. One small inconvenience design-wise is that the Cricut Maker is only available in one color. But then again, if functionality is all that you are interested in, this is just a minor setback. Fortunately, the Cricut Maker is not all that old, as it is still supported by the Cricut Design Space app. So go crazy on whatever you want to cut and put on your t-shirts, since the app will make designing easier, while the machine will make the design a reality. All in all, the Cricut Maker is a great machine if you're planning on making t-shirts in bulk, and the only setback is the fact that the model is just a bit older. Pros. Cricut uses some of the most affordable consumables of all cutting machines. The cutting size is more than enough for all t-shirt sizes. Create whatever you want with the Design Space app. 13 different cutting tools that suit all your needs. Compatible with over 300 materials. Can be controlled wirelessly. Great for commercial use. Easy to use. Cons. The machine is far bulkier and heavier than other Cricut machines. Using design space will require a constant internet connection. You need a cutting mat for all projects. Does not support smart materials. And with that, we come to the end of my review. There are 5 different Cricut shirt maker machines, each with its own specifications. If you're interested in creating t-shirts at a commercial level, your best choice is to go with the Cricut Maker 3 for cutting materials and the Cricut EasyPress for heat transfer designs. I hope you will find this video useful.